Former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khungam calls for unity on the occasion of 86th death anniversary of freedom fighter Haipo Jadonang. ST students from different colleges stormed the Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hill at Babupara demanding scholarships. Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association withdraws its relay hunger strike. Protests to continue until the demands are met. And Art and Culture Minister L. Jendrakumar appeals people to preserve the culture and sport which are the identity of the state. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News with me. Now the news in detail. Haipo Jadonang Statue Park Development Committee HJSPDC under the aegis of Jelarong Union Assam, Manipur and Nagaland observed the 86th death anniversary of freedom fighter Haipo Jadonang at Haipo Jadonang Park in Kaishampa today. Speaking at the event, Numba MLA and advisor of HJSPDC Gai Khungam said Haipo Jadonang was one of the great freedom fighters of the state who fought against British to get independence from the foreign rule. He said, the present generation must not forget that people of both the hills and valley should unitedly protect the state as it has always been since time immemorial. Gai Khungam appealed for cooperation to bring unity in the state. People offered floral tributes at the statue of Haipo Jadonang and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the freedom fighter. Gai Khungam maintained that people of both the hills and valley have maintained a cordial relationship despite threats from external forces. He urged the people to stand united like the freedom fighters of the state against all these forces. We need to imbibe the ideals of our great freedom fighters instead of just paying floral tributes to them every year on their anniversaries. Former Union Home Minister of State Maijinglung Kamsom and former Sogolban MLA Kates Loken were also present at the event.
Singi tami ka puno mo manipuning ka mga kagalihan sir anak marapati bayar man ni haudra sehil singani itihas lain pa Manipur sila singi tami sab mana komam mantal na kagalihan sir singi tami kampadi asigum ba singa ba namit asta mayaman na pinto sa kali Manipur ang India se akoy lain ko in unity and dignity se ngap se ataw singa takir ba magi mangam chat maya mo ato ni mado patin na ato si ba inam ta na ka ay na ngamjaga thok na Manipur ba ang yasi ning tam singa ala ba ang di ato unity se na ala ta ato ko na si
Unlawful outfit Jelarong United Front ZUF also observed the occasion at the General Headquarters Manipur. The program began by observing 2-minute silence in respect to the supreme sacrifices made by Haipo Jadonang for the freedom of Jelarong people. Chairman of the front, Jenchui Kamei, in his speech maintained that Haipo Jadonang was not only a freedom fighter but also a spiritual guide, prophet, healer and a preacher. Large number of ST students from different colleges today stormed the Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hill at Babupara against non-dispersal of scholarship for the year 2016-2017. They chanted various slogans demanding their scholarships. A team of Imphal West Police maintained a strict security vigil to prevent any untoward incident. Director of the Directorate spoke with the representatives of each college. Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association has withdrawn its relay hunger strike from today. However, the president of the association, Y. Mangi, asserted that the protests would continue until the demands are met. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Mangi further said representatives of the association are working towards meeting the Prime Minister of the country and the union ministers by September 31st in New Delhi to put forth their demands. He urged the state government to appoint a neutral officer and make an inquiry into the 84 contempt case to bring justice. He warned of intense agitations by October 2nd if the inquiry result is not produced by September 31st. President of the association also said a memorandum has been submitted to the President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, KSH Bhavananda, yesterday. It may be mentioned that the Supreme Court on March 11, 2015 issued an order instructing the state authority to increase the duty allowance of Manipur Home Guard employees on par to the Manipur police constables. Manipur High Court further intimidated the Home Department to implement the Supreme Court's order within 3 months. Waimangye said the association has been protesting since July 20th.
अखोइना चंगझलिबा सुप्रीम कोर्ट की ऑर्डर अदु चन्नदगदबनी हाइबा एजिटेशन अदुदि अखोइ हंतोकते चरा हेंबे खोंजंगदि अखोइ हंतोए ngasiदगी अदुगा एजिटेशन की मखा ताबा खोंजंगदि तारीख 39 फावबा एमएलए मयाम उनबा हाइबदो हौजिक एमएलए कुलुमदोय उनरे मखा ताबा लेमौरिबसिंगदो तारीख 39 फावदा अखोइ मागी केंद्रदा लेबसिंगदनो उननबो होनरी आइन बु खुद पायरगा तौनिंगबदा तौदना सानरिबसिगी मतांगदे कोई मणिपुर सरकार की लैरिबे एक्टिविटीज मयाम से अरानबा थबकसिंग से कोई हाइबा ngamnanaba कोई डेलीगेट अमा दिल्ली चननबा थौरांग तौगनी.
Film Forum Manipur observed its 13th Foundation Day at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium today. Speaking at the event, Art and Culture Minister L. Jayant Kumar appealed the people to preserve the culture and sports which are the identity of the state. A General Assembly on Movement of Manipur Cinema was also held at MSFDS Auditorium this morning on the occasion. Members of 12 guilds took part on the occasion and various steps that can be taken up to promote Manipuri films were also discussed. Speaking at the event held in the afternoon, Minister Jayant Kumar lamented that the Manipur State Film and Television Institute is not functional to the fullest and exists for namesake due to lack of land for the institute. He maintained that the policies on film made by the previous government is commendable and discussions are on for its implementation.
Pashating Nekcharuba Makalgi director, the Manipur State Institute of Film and Television Gi director. Hadi tolo mayam pi admi ko niyam ne na. Ekoi kambu sing de tambi ke to bukhar do. Mar tambi ba horba ha ge tambi ba houtri. Tambi na ba jaga laite ekoi ngang sing tambi na ba bakal ke jaga laite film institute na ba jaga laite maming gi ni koi lai re je cultural policy hana sembira me mamang gi men kambu sing na but tabu tabu ma se official mong de ge notification thok da ba adu khata ngai re man sana ban atoi culture ga se paisa ekdam thata ra ka tawni na ba se ma se mat matu ma ya ga do makhal ponate pithor ko pot ka yaw la ga de matu yaroi baduna pithor ko pot se akhoi de la re ison pi la re adu bi tar ge akhoi mem kitang thau yapsil la ga mayang mateng pangbiu.
Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of the Forum, Samjit Sabam Mangoljao, reiterated that unity among the 12 guilds is the need of the hour to empower the Forum. He blamed the disunity amongst these guilds for the lack of a proper office building of Film Forum Manipur, which was established in 2004. He urged for unity amongst them in order to promote Manipuri films. On the other hand, Mangoljao said it is unfortunate that the fees charged for hiring Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium, which was constructed in relation with films, is equal to fees charged when hired by other organizations. Drawing the attention of the Art and Culture Minister, Mangoljao expressed a desire for 50% concession on the hiring charge for the auditorium for the forum as a mark of appreciation and respect for promoters of films and not for the amount. He also urged the authorities to allow premieres of the films at least once or twice a week at the auditorium.
Karigi asuk mapangal leraba forum masina masag ube lamma masahi tarahum doi lerak pangamdir bina marum kari office sama karigi leiba ngamdriba kana dai khuna taidam thokte mamang da pham paibiramba pubiramba kaya dai khuna seibam thokte nida to bam thokte makhoi su makhoi gi level da hona jikhibani ngam khidabani karigi ngamdawno leiribai khoi gil tarani thoisina cooperation pibo wat pani haina ilauji lingjen manaba wat padigini ai khoi punna mukte lingjen manabagi mamiti taba ure ai khoi film forum haiba se gil singsidagi thariba representative tuna semba forum neba gil mayam sina mapangan kandragadi ai khoi forum su mapangan kalloeba aduna mangda tariba lam laitriba building laitriba sarkar da policy ki matang da haiga dorbe to godur mayam se ai khoi film forum na haiga doini ai khoi film forum means gil mayam sina haiga dorbe.
Manipur Vision 2032, a district-level public people's consultative meeting on development agenda, was held today at the Panchayat Hall of Porompat DC Complex. Manipur Voluntary Health Association and Coalition for Advocacy on Lifelong Learning organized the event with the assistance of District Administration and Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Manipur University. civil society organizations under Imphal East District, individuals and officials of various government departments attended the event. Discussion prioritizing the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals in the state's specific context to lay foundation for Manipur Vision 2032 was carried out at the event.
Malim go ina yanaraba sustainable goal strategy masida miyang thamaga Manipur gi oiba vision ama semnaba honamni masida akoina district singda chatchatna akogi mafam dugi mioi singa loinena asingma meeting se pangtue masidagi recommendation khara akoina yanaraba barol khara akoina planning department da akoi thagatkani thagala matunda planning department na state ge oiba vision document ama semgani masina tung koina chahi traunga sida thadara kadaba sempham sing development paikhat kadaba thorang sing do hoje akoina semgadariba vision document asigi structure gi matungina madu yauriba content sing adu gi matungna semakadune.
Mayang Lambam Diana, who represented India at Mrs. Worldwide International 2017 at Singapore from August 22nd to 27th, bagged the Mrs. Empowering subtitle. 23 contestants from different countries participated in the grand finale of the pageant held at Singapore Island Country Club. Diana bagged her title after entering the top 15. Mayangambam Diana, 31 years, is from Sagolban Thangzamlerak and is currently working as Northeast Representative Police at Delhi Police and is also a coordinator at Social Welfare Delhi Unit. Nimita Devi Nritya Ashram celebrated its 10th Foundation Day today. Manipur Khubak Ishe Festival also began on the occasion. Various cultural organizations showcased Khubak Ishe performances. Director of JNM Dance Academy L. Upendra Sharma, former Pradhan of the Academy Guru Padma Shri S. Thanil Singh, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee and Shamchan were among those present on the occasion held at Shri Shri Bijoy Govinda Mandap, Sagolban Bijoy Govinda. Speaking on the occasion, L. Upendra said the culture of dance in Manipur exists due to the hard work of our forefathers. It will be wrong for the current generation to not credit our forefathers for the same. Upendra further said there is a change in culture worldwide. People responsible should try to match up with the change. He called for the unity of cultural organizations of the state to work for the development of culture of the state. The 3-day festival will include a Basantaras production.
Ahongba haibase lak loinamak koi ngasi maybe civilization da yumgi oiro materialistic oiro philosophical oiro ahongba isi lakpani adna ahongba kaya lai masina ekoi issue culture si tawbiriba koi gi oja sing ekoi mayam si khara ahongba ma chang maramdi hojik si koi research ki hijanba koi meitei da ha khana nei na ba mayam si am kanna darkar oira pa matam The Department of University and Higher Education Government of Manipur has introduced vocational training courses in 40 colleges. It was part of 100 days program of Government of Manipur under Rashtriya Uchattar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA, Ministry of Human Resources Development MHRD, Government of India. And it's time for a small commercial break, but we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. This is Impact News and you're watching Prime Time English News this Tuesday. Let's see what else made news this Tuesday. MSBD Gas Agency Japhok Bazar Chandal under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme organized an awareness program on LPG safety clinic cum PMUYS at the Indoor Stadium in Japhok Bazar today. IFCD and YAS Minister Letpao Haukip, DC Chandal IAS Krishna Kumar and Manager of Indian Oil Corporation Limited LPGS Imphal 2 LSA Stephen Chinkhansen Guite attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, proprietor of MSBD Gas Agency BD Kelthung Bungdol Anal said the program was held to provide cooking gas to households below poverty line under PMUYS within 2 years. 19,000 households in Chandel will be provided with cooking gas. Gas connection cards, stoves and cylinders were also distributed to beneficiaries of PMUYS under MSBD Gas Agency on the occasion.
Gas Creep Haiba Zat Bizat Ki Kaina Balay Taba Lamdam Amuhai Hangani Amadi Rationalism Laitaba Terrorism Free India oiba vote sing asi point tarit oiba vote asina anoba sarkar ka vision ama oi.
Gas stoves and cylinders were distributed to beneficiaries of Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana scheme on birth centenary year celebrations of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay today. BJP Thamiban Mandal organized the event at the residence of Jyotin Vaikom at Thamiban Hijamlikai. Labour cards were also distributed to 27 beneficiaries under Thamiban constituency at the event. Speaking on the occasion, leaders of the party maintained that the BJP keeps promises they made before the elections and works for the welfare and development of the people. Likla Cable Network, Kairim Bikhog and MSPDCL jointly organized a cleanliness program at Kairim Bikhog areas today. Likla Cable Network is a sub-LCO under Mangal Network, which is an LCO of Impact TV, Wangjing area. Staff of Likla Cable Network and MSPDCL took part in the program. Today felicitated 3 employees of Reliance India Gujarat from Manipur and 1 from Nagaland who underwent training under Global Remote India. The felicitation program was held at Manipur Press Club. Founder of Rising Northeast Foundation, Thaunojam Khambalwang, Managing Director of Global Remote India, Jason Pulikotil, and other dignitaries were present on the occasion. These 4 individuals underwent rope assist training for 10 days under Global Remote India. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Dr. Moirangthem Nara maintained that one should not only depend on government jobs to make a living. Don Bosco High School 2002 Batch Alumni Association has been formed with an objective to promote brotherhood in the society and help in promoting peace and harmony in the state. 70 ex-Bosconian attended the formal gathering. The corpus fund from the association will be used in social causes. The association also observed a 2-minute silence in memory of the departed souls from the batch. Observer of Northeast Shiv Sena and Secretary of Bharatiya Kamgar Sena Dilip Panikkar asserted that traders from outside the state are living as masters in Manipur. He was addressing the one-day first political conference of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit at the party's office in Babupara today. Dilip Panikkar further said, even though Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 has been repealed from 7 assembly segments in Manipur, violence and crime against women still persist in the state. He said, if Shiv Sena forms the government, the party along with the people will try to remove the draconian act from the state. He maintained that the people of Manipur ought to contribute for the development of the state like Shiv Sena, the regional political party, which was formed in 1966 in Maharashtra, contributed towards the development of Marathi. In a line permit system needs to be implemented in Manipur. Shiv Sena will always support a state which works towards development. Speaking on the occasion, President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit N. Tombi said, it is not long before the people of Manipur realizes how far the BJP-led government in Manipur is working with transparency. The party will support the government if it works for the welfare of the state. However, it will not remain a mute spectator if the government works against the interests of people.
Illegal migrants, those who are from the other state should be, actually being an Indian, they should be there. But we are the main people. The Manipurian are the main people. You should get the full rights up here. Those who are from the other state, they have to keep quiet, sit calm and quiet. They have to wait and watch for that, and they have to ask you to get the job. They are not supposed to fight with us. Shiv Sena का main motto यही है, son of the soil. हम हमारा मणिपुरियन के लिए फाइट करेंगे. मणिपुरियन के लिए हम लोगों ने सब कुछ करेंगे, क्योंकि शिवसेना ने 80% काम जो है सोशल वर्कर के हम लोग आगे आते हैं. खाली 20% हम खाली politically we are coming in front of the way.
All Manipur Border Area Development Association Ambada has called for a 48 hours bandh in all hill districts of the state from the midnight of 30th of this month till the midnight of 1st September against the cabinet decision on Border Area Development Program BADP. Addressing media persons at Hotel Tamfa, North AOC today,
Ambada President Thankolal Baite said they are against the cabinet decision taken on the 28th of last month in Churchampur district against the centre's guidelines. Per the rules followed in 17 states in the country under BADP, an amount of 20 lakh rupees should be sanctioned to the village authority to develop the area. The state cabinet, on the contrary, has decided to sanction 5 lakh rupees under the scheme. Thankolal Baite termed this decision as looking down on village headmen and tribal customary law. A memorandum has been submitted to the Chief Minister and relevant minister on the 31st of last month. However, there has been no response till date. Thankolal Baite also threatened of intensifying their agitations after the 48 hours band if there are no responses from the authority.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ memorandum anirak pire concern minister ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ honorable CM ꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ response ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ tribal ꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤꯒꯤ headman chiefsing discriminate ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ 30 midnight dagi September 1st midnight ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ agitation ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ agitation ꯑꯃꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
In an ongoing drive against drug by Imphal East District Police, under the supervision of Imphal East SP and additional SP, a narcotics Imphal East and women police team led by DSP Civil Armed Reserve Roni Mayangbam conducted raid at the residence of Samirul, wife of Mohammad Burhan. 134 SP capsules, 280 N10 tablets and 173 WY tablets were seized in the raid conducted at around 4 p.m. today. Samirul, along with the seized tablets, have been handed over to the Irilbung police station. Thaumiban Kendra Development Organization Tagdo today felicitated Rifleman Gurumayum Robert Sharma, who bagged 3 gold medals at the World Police and Fire Games 2017 held at Los Angeles, USA. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Patron of Tagdo Thaumiban MLA KH Joy Kishan maintained that students wouldn't have taken out protests to save the indigenous people of the state, leaving aside their academics, had the 60 MLAs stood united. The felicitation function was held at Kuyatong Community Hall. Speaking further, Joy Kishan said it is high time the 60 MLAs of the state realized that the movement carried out by the students' organizations, civil society organizations and Maira Paibis is to save the indigenous people of the state, and that the MLAs need to work by understanding the sentiments of the people. He warned if the MLAs do not work by understanding the sentiments of the people, they will leave a black mark in the history. Representatives of clubs, civil society organizations and Maira Paibis of Thaumiban constituency were present at the felicitation program. They prayed for the success of Gurumayum Robert in all future endeavors.
Chatra Singh Pange, Chatra Singh Apapa Lambi Amada Pusan Garbataradi, Akoi Ladiba, MLA, Humbu, Wasimagna, Chapsana, Miamgi, Mihuni, Akoigi Miamgi, Ulkanga, Tabuk Tokadabani Hibase, Akoina, Wadiap Loraga, Tabak on a Pantogadi, Karamba Shatrani, how do you know? Karamba Kunaina, Karamba Shiasho organization, Karamba Club, Karamba Mama Aduga, Karamba Maira Pibina, how do you know? Say, Akoi Hangjasi. Chatra Singh Satragi, Larik Tamanchi, MLA Humbusina. Pazag Ihul Kangna, Tabuk Tobody, Tai have a say, Akoi, Masiki function Yoraga, Ayang Ladiba, MLA Sing Damasung, Punamakta Apil Tokjari.
As observed across the country, Krida Bharati Manipur also observed the National Sports Day today. Cultural programs including Thangta were showcased at the event held at Laningthau Iching Chaiba Shanglen Nagamapal. Hockey coach of Sports Authority of India, Sai, and Olympian P. Nilakumal, former Sagolban MLA K.S. Loken, Pran Sangchalak RSS A. Brajakumar, President of Krida Bharati Manipur T.H. Basant Kumar were among those present at the event. And before we end, let's take headlines once again.
Former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Kangam calls for unity on the occasion of 86th death anniversary of freedom fighter Haipo Jadanang. ST students from different colleges stormed the Directorate of Tribal Affairs in Hill at Babupara demanding scholarships. Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association withdraws its relay hunger strike. Protests to continue until the demands are met. And Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar appeals people to preserve the culture and sports which are the identity of the state.